Hey guys, we've done the teams for the 3 box break. It's 10:42:29 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll for participants. We're going 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Teams 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here are the teams.